In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide fields in Zoho CRM following our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to streamline your data entry or maintain specific privacy thresholds for different users in your organization, understanding how to manage the visibility of fields within your CRM can be an invaluable skill. First, we need to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is where we begin our journey into managing your CRM settings more effectively. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Leads section and click on it. Think of the Leads module as your primary interface for managing new business opportunities. Here you can control and customize what your team members see and work with, making it essential to tailor these views to your organizational needs. Next, as we delve deeper, you will want to look for an option to highlight. This isn't literally about colors, but rather it's about bringing attention to specific elements that can be adjusted or modified. Upon clicking, another layer or panel might open up, depending on how your CRM instance is configured, showing more detailed options or settings. After you've arrived at this point, type in the word highlight into the provided text box or search field. This step is about identifying or marking specific fields or features within the CRM that you want to adjust. It's particularly useful if you have a large data set or complex customization requirements where manually browsing through lists would be inefficient. Following this, you should see an option to filter by fields. Click on it. Filters in Zoho CRM play a crucial role, especially if you have customized your CRM heavily. This functionality enables you to focus solely on the fields you wish to modify or work with, ignoring those that are not relevant to your current task. It's an effective way to enhance productivity and ensure that your interface is not cluttered with unnecessary information. Understanding how to use these filters empowers you to hide fields that might not be applicable to every member of your team. It also affords you the flexibility to declutter the user interface, so only the most pertinent information is readily accessible. For administrators, this skill can prove crucial to maintaining a clean, efficient workspace, which is essential when dealing with large teams or complex data sets. By following this guide, you can ensure that the field visibility within your Zoho CRM is optimized for your team's specific needs, helping to maintain privacy, boost productivity, and streamline workflows. Tailoring your CRM in this manner not only keeps your data organized, but ensures that your team can focus on what truly matters, driving business growth and innovation. Thank you for watching, and make sure to adapt these steps to suit your specific use case within Zoho CRM.